We're going to explain how to use a slash in a string. A slash, specifically the forward slash, as opposed to the backslash, is a common character that can cause problems if you don't handle it correctly within strings and programming. Here's how to work with them effectively in different contexts. 1. Escaping the slash in some programming languages. Many languages, like JavaScript, Python, and Java, treat the forward slash as a special character in some contexts, particularly when dealing with regular expressions or file paths. In these situations, you might need to escape the slash using a backslash. For instance, if you want to include a literal forward slash in a string for a regular expression in JavaScript, you'd write it like this: const myString equal this slash is y class path. The backslash tells the interpreter to treat the following slash as a literal character and not a special character of the language. Using slashes in file paths. File paths often use forward slashes, especially in web development, e.g. add path to my file txt. When constructing file paths within your code, it's crucial to correctly handle the slashes. If your language uses backslashes as path separators, like Windows, you might need to convert them to forward slashes for consistency or compatibility. Many file path libraries will automatically handle this conversion. 3. String literals and string interpolation. The way you create strings impacts how you handle slashes. In languages like Python, you can use f-strings or other interpolation methods, where you might embed variables containing slashes directly. For example, it's path equal my path, my string lf. The file is at path. Python won't need any special escaping here. 4. URL encoding. If you are using slashes within URLs, they are often part of the URL structure. However, some characters within a URL, including slashes, should be URL encoded for correct transmission and interpretation. This means that the slashes aren't typically escaped in the way mentioned above for regular expressions. URL encoding converts special characters into a format that web servers can understand. 5. Regular expressions. As previously mentioned, slashes are often used to delimit regular expressions in many programming languages, e.g. pattern SAO. Inside the regular expression, special characters, including the forward slash itself, usually need escaping with a backslash. Different programming languages. The specifics of how you use and escape slashes might slightly vary depending on your chosen programming language. Always refer to the language's documentation to understand its rules for string handling and special characters. Remember to pay close attention to whether you're dealing with literal slashes, parts of a file path, or a special character within a regular expression. Understanding the context helps you use slashes correctly and prevents unexpected errors.